Just a quick tidbit on this 2009 Volkswagen CC. A little bit of quick information here. It ain't worth doing a whole video on, but this customer has a 2009 Volkswagen CC, and he has a check engine light on. He's not really mentioning that it's misfiring. The guy who brought it in isn't the daily driver, but ECM power load relay circuit, he's not concerned with that one. He's had it in last time. System voltage, obviously the battery's been low at some point. Incorrect mobilizer key, I stuck the wrong key in it. But it's got 301 cylinder 1 misfire and cylinder 2 misfire. Months ago this car was here and we put spark plugs and coil packs in it, so we can be pretty confident that isn't the cause. But I did want to show that we have fuel trims, 32 and 33, and obviously this isn't like super high, but here's what I'm noticing. This is the crankcase vent valve, and there's some vacuum sucking from this little vent hole. So when I do this, notice the engine stumbles, belt starts squealing, or maybe that's squealing through the rear main seal, and our fuel trims go way up. So that diaphragm is leaking. As soon as I take that off, the engine stumbles some more and the squealing stops. But obviously that diaphragm is bad, and because it affects the fuel trim so much there, and most likely that'll fix their engine misfires that they're getting every once in a while. I want to point out that misfires are not showing right now. I just road tested the car. They didn't misfire at all for me. There's no misfires there on 15 and 16. But those crankcase vent valves go bad all the time. Make sure you get an original equipment one. Don't buy the cheap Chinese ones. I think we'll call that a wrap. Put this in a short video.